Today I went to a workshop for the company that I'm working for here in Japan, and afterwards, the teachers and stuff that I was in group with, like one of them said, when he retires from his job, if he can come and work for me. So I stopped to think, and even asked him like, what do you want to do? He said if he can be my assistant. So I said, my assistant. So I was just thinking to myself, well, I don't even have my own company, so what is he talking about? So I said to him, well, sure, you can be my life assistant if you want to come and work for me live, because that's the only job I do. I'm just working with life. So I don't know, I found it rather strange. And then another teacher said, like, I should come to her school and teach next year. And I'm like, okay, but I made a memo of the school's name, but I told her like she needs to talk to the person that, organizes that whole thing. And then like afterwards some other persons from the BOE, I was talking to them and stuff. And one guy, he said my personality, he likes my personality and stuff. And some other persons as well, most persons, they usually talk about my personality and how it is. And even at one of the training session before, another girl just came up to me and she said that she admires my confidence and stuff like that. And a lot of persons, they seem to find that within me, or see that being portrayed from within me coming out. But sometimes when I think about myself, I don't know, I don't really see those things or really think about those things, like think about being confident or anything like that. I don't know. Like I feel like it just comes out naturally sometimes. So like me talking to people or doing my videos over the phone and uploading them, sometimes I don't think it truly reflects the personality or the character that other persons might encounter with me, like during a group setting or a face-to-face encounter, because I think it varies. It varies depending on the settings, depending on my mood, and just maybe the persons that I am around. So I think what a person might see will come out. But overall, though, based on some feedback that other persons have said, I think it's my basic character trait where persons find me. Some persons say I have a very strong personality, a confident personality, and then recently I learned some few other traits that I will not discuss at this moment in time. But yeah, that's about it. So yeah. Anyways, peace.